The DE Markbook provides teachers with an opportunity to track pupils' progress. It's linked to all the Developing Experts units, featuring key learning objectives from each area of study. Each section is customizable, meaning that each report generated uses your school's chosen vocabulary for tracking progress and attainment. Whether this be working at national expectations or greater depth, the choice is yours in how you wish to see your data reported to you. You can find out how many presentations your pupils have viewed, how many quizzes they've taken along with a percentage score, how many word searches they've done, and when they last logged in. Filtering by units allows you to add a unit mark, and then filtering further by lesson allows you to add a lesson mark for each pupil. Remember, our data takes into account scores from Rocket Word and assessment quizzes. As a teacher, you will always have the final say in a child's overall mark. This way, each child's unit mark is best informed from data collected using the platform and teacher knowledge. There's also a space to leave notes for future reference to ensure a smoother transition between classes. Exporting data is also simple. All this information can be collated and delivered as a spreadsheet to ensure quality conversations during progress meetings with parents or school leaders. We'd love to hear ideas for features from our schools too, so please let us know if there are features you need. Please choose the next video in the playlist or find out more from DE.